Okay, it's about 7:15 in the morning. I'm here at the ranger station at Enchantment Rock. It's nice, about 85 degrees. Getting ready to do the summit trail. It's supposed to be pretty challenging. 45-minute hike, 1 mile up, or I think 0.8 miles. So let's go check it out. It's a beautiful morning. It's supposed to be in the upper 90s today, but like I said, it's 7:15. Maybe about 80 degrees. Oh heck, I could have pulled down here and parked. Oh, that's all right. It was kind of confusing. The park rangers, it was closed. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Should have brought my other camcorder. Yeah, those rocks look cool. Across the bridge. Dang, I have no idea which way to go. All right, I gotta get my map out. Okay, here we go. Summit Trail, Enchantment Rock Natural Area, just north of Fredericksburg. Getting ready to do the Summit Trail. If I can figure out which one it is. Summit Trail, forward. One thing about it, they don't have these trails really well marked. There ain't nobody here. There's me and one other couple. It's June 17th, about 7:15 in the morning. It's about lower 80s, maybe upper 70s. Supposed to be high in the 90s today, and want to get out here early and do this. So I sure hope they have it marked, because the park ranger was, he was helpful, but he just said go that way. And so far I've walked 1/4 mile from the parking lot. He didn't tell me I could park right here at the start, but that's all right. Get my exercise in. All right, here's a sign, so I think they're gonna have some markings. Yes, Summit Trail, marking number 1. Here we go. I think we're going way up there on the rocks. I see people up there already, so yeah, we're going up that thing. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a hike. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Yeah, it's already become somewhat challenging, and we just barely started. Not many people here, but there's starting to be more. Jeez, this is gonna be a rock climber. Yeah, this is gonna take at least an hour to go up 0.8 miles. Crazy. Yeah, this is gonna be a workout. Well, if you can hear my breath, it is a hike. Damn, I don't have the color right on this camera, I can tell. It's a hike up here. There we go, maybe the color's a little better now. Anyway, it's a hike up here, and I'm only, I don't know, 1/3 of the way up. That's where I'm going, up there. All right. I can imagine what this flat granite rock's gonna feel like in a couple hours when it gets into the 90s. What a view. I'm about, I guess about 2/3 of the way up, and still climbing. Doesn't look that far. Hope the GoPro's catching it. But I don't know what the grade is on it. I don't know, maybe go by degrees. It's at least 45 degrees. Angle going straight up. It's got me huffing and puffing a little bit. There's probably about 24 people up here this early, so at 7:30 in the morning, June 2022. It's a nice breeze though. Real nice breeze. I'm up at the top of Enchantment Rock, just north of Fredericksburg. It's just a big old granite rock. About 7:30 in the morning. Sorry about shaking. I'm trying to do a full 360 at the top of this giant rock. It's windy as hell too. There's a nice little pond down there. Just doing a little rock climbing here. Enchantment Rock. Seeing where I can go and where I can't go. Wow. Kind of reminds me of some of the area, Joshua Tree National Park there in California. Ooh, there's a cool lizard. Lizard. How about run? Ooh, it's getting too incliney for me. That's the last thing I want to do out here by myself is fall. I did bring a whistle and everybody knows where I'm at, so going back. Heading back up. How'd I get up here? Maybe this way. Yeah, this looks like a little trail. Kind of watching out for rattlesnakes, but it's kind of early. They like to come out in the sun, but they're more scared of me than I am of them, I think. There we go. Let's go back over this side. Check it out. Too bad we have all this Sahara dust today. Otherwise, I think it'd be spectacularly beautiful up here. It still is, but it's not as clear, that's for sure. These guys are flying a drone. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here. It's coming right. There's two guys on the hill. Yeah, that's what you need, a drone out here. Alright, let's go back up this way. Coming down now. I think it's harder on the legs going down. I found if I traverse back and forth instead of trying to walk straight down the hill. Luckily the trail's going at an angle now. Let's say it's like a 45 degree grade going up and down. Sun's starting to pop out here close to 8:30, and you can see through some of the Sahara dust now. And still, I guess I've been up on top about 25-30 minutes, did a circumference up there. It's been great views. I guess first quarter of it's challenging, but after that it isn't too bad. I think the state park registers it at challenging, and it would be for a lot of people. But it's fun. I liked it. Yeah, this was the tough part at the beginning, going up. I guess it's easier going up than down. It's not very flat, quite rocky. It's doable.